Welcome home. The epitome of South Nashville and Lipscomb area charm. A warm and inviting living room greets you as you first walk in, anchored by cozy dining areas and spacious bedrooms. The existing dining room can accommodate large groups or easily convert to an inviting sitting area. Utilize the breakfast area for an additional home office or music room. This cozy kitchen overlooks the spacious living room and quaint breakfast area. Granite countertops and stainless appliances give it a fresh, updated feel. Plenty of counter space and cabinets, with under-cabinet lighting, and still plenty of room to add an island or bring your own personal touch to the backsplash.